finally here. I'm so excited. I hope she's excited and ready to go. So I'm gonna knock on this door, see if I can put the dirt down. It's a little bit heavy on it before I knock it. So there's 3 flights up. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but I did. I really made it. I realized I'm in better shape than I thought I was.
Hey girl, you're coming back. Hey,
Hey, hi. There, this is very heavy.
So we're gonna get plans today.
Yes, girl. I have everything that you need to get started here. I'm so excited. Are you excited to get started? Yeah, this is my first remote gardening that I've done, and I'm excited to get it done.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, so let's get started because I have flower pots that we need here. I got 5 of them for you.
Oh.
I bought a shovel for myself and a shovel for you, so you know you're going to help me today.
Okay.
And I bought all the plants that you requested, so we're going to go ahead and do the plants. I got your tarragon here.
Ooh.
I got your sweet basil here. Girl, I bought your peppermint.
We love peppermint.
I know. I bought your rosemary.
We got that rosemary.
Exactly. And here, I bought your green onions.
Green onions, yeah.
Okay? So we are all set and ready to go.
They smell good. So what are we doing today, though?
Okay, I'm really actually going to try to get all these in here so you can have your container garden. I'm really excited about doing this for you today. Really
we have
excited.
a lot of pots here.
Yeah, I know. I got them all for this garden. What? Come on.
And with this rosemary, can I make it into oil? Because I like my oils, you know?
Yeah. I'm going to tell you all about the benefits of the rosemary and everything.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
let me ask you one thing, though. I got all these pots here.
Yeah.
Did you get the dirt? Because I bought mine, but did you bring yours? Did you bring your dirt?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm right. It's right here. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
It's a little heavy, though.
All right. Okay. Good. Okay. Here. Grab this. Take this over there. Put it over there for me.
Yeah.
Now, so we don't really have that much of a mess. I'm going to lay down this bag here.
Okay.
Because we are going to be working with the dirt.
We're going to lay it on the counter?
Yeah, I'm going to lay it on the counter so we don't have that much mess. Because I know you don't want to clean up after all this.
And we can't have
stuff.
a lot of mess.
Exactly.
A lot of dirt.
Yeah, I know how you are with dirt.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this together here.
Okay. Should I just move this then?
Yeah, move it out of the way, girl, because we don't want to have... Got to move this all over. All nice situated here. Because we really are going to be working with dirt. Okay.
This is a nice setup. Oh, I like this believe. You know, we have to believe.
Yeah, exactly.
To achieve.
Exactly. You know, that's my motto. Believe, then things can get done the way you want them to get done.
I don't know if that was shade or...
All right, let's slide this all up over here. Okay, so now that we have this all laid out, let's try to get all the pots in one spot.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I want to tell you something. I went to Target, and these pots were just $5.
$5?
$5 for these clay pots. And I'm going to tell you, I went to Joann's, and I went
Joann's?
I went to Joann's because Joann's carries pots.
Oh,
and I also went to the dollar store because I wanted to see, which was cheaper.
Yeah.
But these pots were $5 at Target. Best deal. They're clay.
Wow.
Now, I got you these pots because you're... naturalists, and clay is really good.
Oh, okay.
That's why I got them. So clay is really good for planting. Yours pots here have holes in it already.
For the drainage?
For the drainage, exactly. So normally, if I get a pot like this, I put rocks in it so like that it helps with the drainage. But in this case, because your pot already has a drainage in it, you're not really going to need that.
Oh, that's cool.
So you're not going to
I
need
like
it at all.
this.
Yeah, I think it's great. The other thing is I don't use the ceramic pots really because the ceramic pots sometimes they coat it in the inside and the coating that they use for that has lead in it. So I want to avoid the lead and the different metals because some of the ceramic coating has that on there.
Yeah, this is nice though. I like this.
Yeah, I thought you'd like it. The other thing is that we could use galvanized, but galvanized I like that because it's also a natural one, a natural stone you could use. A natural metal.
Oh, okay.
That you could use, but I use that. So I got you these pots. Then also, I went ahead and I got this at Target.
What is this? What is this for?
Stands.
Oh, a stand.
So like that, once we get you all set up in your garden here, we can put them on the stands. Like you don't have to have them all in one row.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah,
I
that's
went
cool.
ahead and do that.
That's cool. I was just gonna lay them all out like this.
On your counter?
Yeah, on my counter. No, I have a place I want to put them, but
I know. I thought you put them outside in the patio, but I thought you're not going to do
yeah,
the patio shop.
I like them inside. You know, I like the energy, the plant energy inside.
All right. So, okay. All right. I'm not going to argue with that.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me show you the plants here.
Okay, the rosemary one.
Rosemary.
I forgot
This
that one.
is peppermint.
Oh, peppermint. This is the basil
Smell
one.
it. You can
Yeah.
smell. That's peppermint. Then I got you your spring onions. Okay.
I use these for tacos.
Yes, I know. And I got you here the tarragon, Mexican tarragon. Now this you can use on your tacos
Okay.
as well.
Hmm.
All right.
Smells
That's great.
interesting.
All right, here, let's move this out of our way.
Okay.
Good, perfect. All right. Now I'm gonna do a little education on each of the plants so that way you can understand why I chose the plants for you. And I think that was a good selection because you cook, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You know,
that's
my hubby's more of a cook, but yeah.
Okay, so I got you sweet basil. That's for your Italian dishes.
Love Italian.
I know. All the pastas that you
Yes.
make.
Oh, yeah.
This is good. This will be good for that. And then I got you the Mexican tarragon because you mentioned that you make a lot of tacos.
Yes,
so
we
this
do.
is a nice hidden spice. This is also good in rice and fish. So we use this a lot, you know.
Oh, that's the little stuff they put in the white rice? I tried to make it one time, it didn't work out.
Yeah, so you
Yeah, it
probably
was-
missed it in the
it was
Mexican
bad,
tarragon.
actually, yeah.
So you need that
Yeah.
Mexican tarragon. And then the peppermint.
Yeah.
Now, peppermint, what I like about peppermint, of course, you know, it's a natural healer for a whole bunch of stuff. Like they use it for like the smell itself. If you have like upset stomach, if you have a
Yeah.
headache, the smell of peppermint itself is really good for all of that. But the best part of peppermint to me is drinking it. It's like a nice, soothing tea. So it's a natural tea that you're going to have. And then you also have rosemary.
You know, for my hair.
Okay, yeah, for your hair, but you can also use it in your Italian dishes. So again, that's why I got rosemary. But definitely rosemary is good for hair growth.
Yeah.
And olive oil, you mix them together. That's a natural thing. Rosemary and olive oil does good for that as well. Now, my favorite plant that I got you here is the spring onions. Now, the reason why is because I think spring onions itself, I'm going to show you this here. To me, it's the plant that keeps giving forever and ever. So really and truly what we're going to do here, which I'm pretty sure you probably never even know, what you can do is you can cut the spring onions right here, and the spring onions here, you put them in the dirt, and they'll resprout.
Oh, wow.
So you may never have to buy spring onions again as long as you take care of this plant, and you water it, and you love it. Don't let it become a full flower because then you're going to have seeds. But as long as you keep continuously cutting, I call this the plant that continues to give over and over and over. So I need a knife. Do you have a knife?
Yeah. Oh, I
Yeah.
have it right here.
Okay, good, perfect. So let's go ahead. We're just going to chop it like we're going to use it for cooking. I'm just going to go ahead and chop this right here for you. And that's really all you need to keep that. Now this, you can still use these today for making your famous tacos.
Yes.
Like after, you know, we can have some tacos today for dinner.
Yes.
Okay, so here you go. Put that to the side there.
I should have had tacos yesterday. It was Taco Tuesday.
You should have made them today. You knew I was coming.
Yeah.
I mean, I am
I
kind of
actually
hungry.
made pasta, so I can use this.
Okay, yeah, exactly. All right.
It smells good.
Okay, so let's get started. Let's get the dirt. Let's start filling up some of the pots here with the dirt.
Want to get my dirt?
Get your dirt, and we'll get both of them, I guess. Can you hand me my dirt over there? Okay.
Can I put it up here?
Yeah, that's fine. We want to keep everything out of the way. And over there on your end, do you see your shovels? We got our shovels.
Yes.
Okay, so pick a shovel. Yeah, you got this one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll use this one. Oh, this also, I got this shovel, $5
From Target.
from Target.
We love Target.
We love Target. Target's our store.
I could stay in there for hours.
Exactly, me too. I think it's my way of mental relaxation sometimes.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get started. I'm going to give you a pot. You get a pot. I have a pot. You get a pot. And all I want you to do is fill the pot up. Don't fill it up all the way. Fill up halfway. Now, this is, my soil here is organic. So I'm going to,
Organic. Wow.
yes, I made it from my compost.
Oh.
So I'm going to go ahead and
How
put,
do you do that though? How do you make dirt?
okay, so what I do is all the stuff, okay, simple. You see this? Just like this. If you decided not to use all of this, I'd put this away in a compost heap and then let it try to slowly rot.
Oh.
So once it starts doing that, then you have your own natural dirt. So this is compost dirt right here. And I'm going to fill mine up with that. And you can fill yours up with your dirt. I think, yeah. Let's try to fill them all up because we got 5 of them to fill up. But fill it up like more than, a little more than halfway.
Okay. Yeah.
Because we're gonna need room to put the plants in, and also we're gonna need room to allow the plants to grow within your pot. Because eventually, if your plant starts growing, you're gonna have to transplant your plant out of this pot.
Yeah. I've only had one plant, which is a money tree.
Which is a what tree?
Money tree.
How's that working out for you?
It seems to be doing good. I've lost some leaves and stuff, but
So does that really work? Does that money tree thing really work?
you know, it's helped a little bit. You have to pray, you have to talk to it, you know, you have to give it a hug sometimes and just say, money, come to me.
Has money come to you though?
Yeah, it has, yeah.
Okay.
When I'm not talking to it though, it tends to leave a little bit, so then I have to go back to talk to it.
All right, so then I'm gonna get a money tree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just get the money tree.
So I'm gonna fill this up I think about that much is good. Stay right here. That's about good. So we need to fill a little bit more dirt in that one.
I think this one's done.
Yeah. Let me see. I'll maybe put one more scoop.
Okay.
I like your shovel. Yeah, but your shovel gives you like a good scoop.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Yeah. Okay, so now you see we got all the
Yes.
all the pots full of dirt.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so here comes the part that I enjoy, but you probably will not because I see you got a brand new
Yes, I
spanking
did.
manicure.
I did, yes.
But you actually have to put your hands in the dirt.
Okay.
Okay? But I don't think you're gonna do that. So just for that, me knowing you, I got gloves.
Oh, yes, we need the gloves.
So there you go. And put the gloves in because you know there are little things in here. I did put the compost in each of them, so there are a little bit of live bugs in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, so I think you might want to use the.
Live bug.
It's okay. You're all right. The plants need the bugs, okay?
They do.
They do, all right? So let's go ahead and plant them. I'm going to let's go ahead and plant the ones I took from my garden. Now the tarragon and the peppermint, I took these out of my garden. So these are actually second generation plants. That means that,
Yeah, what does that mean?
what that means is that I've grown these, like I split them from when I bought them, when I bought them like this, and
Okay.
then I split them, and now what I'm doing is splitting them with you.
Oh, okay.
So I split it with you. And now what I generally do when I'm bringing them over to people, I go ahead and I put them in a moist towel to keep the roots, see the roots there?
Oh,
And I
okay.
kept the roots moist. So you can
might
get
have to
yours? Okay, let me undo yours for you.
I'm over there struggling with the rope.
Yeah, I see we may have to get that knife back here.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if we can get it out. I got it.
Okay.
Okay? So this is the peppermint. Now again, same thing. See? And then you have a root ball right there.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah. Peppermint though is very forgiving. I mean, as long as you put it in the dirt and it's happy there, it'll be fine.
So can I cut?
Yeah,
Can I cut this
yeah. When we
and-
get done putting them in here, I'm going to show you because you are going to have to cut them because the more you pick, the more you're going to get. Okay, so let's go ahead. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my hand and use it, and I'm just gonna make like a little, take some out, take one to the side, and then just put it in. And just put it in, and then go around like that. Did you get it in there okay?
Yeah.
Let's make sure you open it up a little bit. And the roots are all in there. Yeah, perfect. So the reason why we put it in halfway again is, once we get done putting it in, then we're going to put more dirt on the top of this and fill it all the way up. But you want to go ahead and space it out a little bit, give it time. Let it breathe a little bit now.